Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about an LPG related issue. The car has LPG and gasoline also. This is the fuel selector switch. On the right side is set to run on LPG. In the middle it's neutral, the car won't get any fuel, and on the left it will receive gasoline. I'm going to shut it off just for this demonstration, so it won't receive any fuel right now. So let's say that is set onto LPG, and whoops, and you're turning the key and the engine won't start. Okay, in this case let's set the valve back. In this case you can check the electro valves which are opening and closing the LPG. For example, here's an electro valve, this one. It has one positive connection and a negative connection, which is the body of the car. And here's another electro valve, this one. And this one has two connections visible. This one is the positive, it's connected to the other valve. Okay, and the other one is the negative because it goes to the body of the car. Okay, and what you can do is to use a simple cable and use the two ends of the cable to put some current to these valves, and you should hear them click. Okay, let's do it. And this is the battery, that's the negative pole, and this is the positive pole. And connect one end of the cable to the positive and the other end to the positive of the valve, of the electro valve. And for that, let's open up this connection. Okay, put one end of the cable here and the other end of the cable onto the positive, and the clicking sound should be heard. And that means that you just powered the electro valve with electricity, and that will either open it or close it. And in this way the fuel from the LPG system should reach theoretically the engine. So this is one option that you can check if the car is not running correctly on LPG. More exactly, if your valves, LPG valves, are not opening. In this way you can force them a little bit and check them to see if they are opening or not. So this is the LPG reservoir in the trunk of the car, and I will do the same thing. I will power those two electro valves with the positive from the battery, and let's see if it's clicking here also or not. Okay, that's it. That was the engine of the car.